Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, tonight I am going to do a ribeye cook. Now, I'm not going to get into all the ribeye stuff, how I prepare it or anything. I just do salt and pepper. That's what I like. But what I am going to do is I'm going to do these ribeyes up on the 22-inch blackstone griddle. And I'm actually going to try a new technique. I'm going to try putting my grill grates on top of it and see if I can get it hot enough that it'll sear them. You know, if it doesn't work, I got the trusty old Weber gasser there. I'm going to throw them on. So let's get it all set up and go from there. All right, let's see how warm this thing's getting. .500 degrees. Get these steaks on. What we're going to do is we're going to start cooking them out here before we put them on the grill grate. So we'll give them probably 3 minutes per side, and then we'll flip them over onto the grill grate and see what they do. Okay, let's just take a look and see what's going on in here. Oh, they're browning up nicely. Just the lid closed, and we'll give them another few minutes, and then we'll put them on the grill grate. Okay, let's check these two. There it is. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah. Give it a minute like that. Definitely getting some cross hatches on there. Looking good. All right, let's take a look at these. Oh yeah, look at that. Definitely getting some cross hatches on them. This is working out great. They're nice and tender. Oh. Let's give it a couple more minutes. Look at how beautiful those are. Grill grates on the blackstone 22-inch. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at these steaks. Oh my. Don't those look good? Let's just cut into one and see what happens here. Let's take a bite. All right, let's taste this beautifully done steak. Right on the cusp of rare to medium rare. Oh yeah, delicious. Love me some ribeye. Oh. Anyhow, I'm not going to eat all this in front of you, but let's just go over what I did there. Kind of seasoned them with a little bit of olive oil. Then I took Worcestershire sauce, put that on it, put salt and pepper, let it sit for 10 minutes, flipped them over, repeated the process on the other side. In the meantime, I fired up the 22-inch Blackstone, put the grill grates on it, got it nice and hot, pushed the grill grates to the back so that I could grill the steaks on the front, and then put them onto the grill grates to get that beautiful hash mark cross section, and it did that beautifully. This is amazing. So I'm going to eat well tonight. My wife's going to eat well tonight. In fact, she's already eating. What we're going to do, I'm going to grab a potato, put a potato on the plate, and we'll eat up. Anyhow, as I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. This actually worked out pretty well. I had my doubts, but it did work out. I'm impressed. You know, that's just delicious. Anyway, grill on, my friends. Till next time.